lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a new series on my channel called New Makeup Releases, and what we're doing is we're going to create two different sections, Neat and Yeet. So the Neat section will be the ones that I'm considering purchasing in the next couple of months, and the Yeet section is the ones that I'm not really interested in. So I'm just going to go through a bunch of the ones saved in my phone from Trend Mood. They'll go up on the screen next to me, and we'll see if we neat them or yeet them. So, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you're looking forward to, and let's just get into this. Scroll down to the bottom here. Oh wait, that's all posts. New makeup releases. Okay, so the first one I want to talk about is the new ColourPop X Makeup by Shayla palette / collection. So they are doing a collection. It's called Proceed with Caution. So it includes this palette that's on the screen right now for $12, and then it also includes, let me see, oh yeah, what else is here? So there's the palette, 2 blushes, 2 lip bundles, and you can also buy the full PR collection for $54. So the palette retails for $12, the blushes are $8 each, the lip bundles are $12 each, but you can also buy them separately, and then the full collection is $54. So I love everything about this packaging. I love everything about the color scheme. I'm not really a blush person, and I'm not really a lipstick person, and there's a lot of lipstick in this video. So for me, I probably won't pick up those, but the palette is gorgeous. I really love that yellow shade mixed with the more neutrals. This is definitely one that I would order the next time I'm putting in an order on ColourPop. I only put in an order every time I can spend enough money to get free shipping, because it's a little expensive. But yeah, I definitely love that palette. And I just think that the whole Proceed with Caution / like under construction thing is just really adorable. So, what's next? Okay, so Hourglass is, so that is a Neat. So Hourglass is releasing a bunch of new, lippies. So this is online at Bergdorf's only, no, it's not, but it is also on Bergdorf's, but also online now at Hourglass Cosmetics. So let's see, they're doing there's 18 different shades, and they're $30 each. And they're supposed to be like plumping glosses, but without the painfulness of a plumping gloss. So I'm, again, not a gloss person, and I definitely would not spend $30 on a gloss, so we're definitely going to yeet this one. But I think the colors are really pretty, and if you are somebody who is willing to put in the money for a nice quality gloss, I'm sure they're nice. But I also would want to be able to like swatch it on my hand and feel the consistency of the gloss before I buy it, so I would have to see if they have it in Sephora, not just online. But if you guys have tried this out, or you know anyone who's left reviews, leave them down below so we can know what they're up to and what they're like. Well, part of the collection I probably would neat, not yeet. Let me just see here. So the next thing up here is the MAC/Aladdin collaboration, and they have, these are the lipsticks. So the entire collection includes a highlighter, bronzer, Graph Black, I'm assuming that's like a, I don't know what that is, a rose pigment, a gloss, and 3 lip glosses, an eyeshadow palette, and some lipsticks. So they're not available yet. They will be available in May. The lipsticks are gorgeous. You can see them on the screen right now. A couple of them I'd probably pick up. I do like MAC lipsticks, so I like that. And then they also have the like lip glasses, which also look really nice. I'm just gonna see if they've released anything about the palette yet, because that's what I'm most intrigued by. Oh yeah, so the picture that's on the screen right now will show you the whole collection. So they have, I like the highlighting palette, I like the eyeshadow palette, but it's, again, like, I don't like MAC eyeshadow consistencies, so I don't know if I'll get it, but I do really like the lipsticks. So Neat / yeet. We'll go with that. This one is a yeet, but I'm sad about it, okay? So the Momager collection, they're releasing a new Momager collection, which is Kylie Cosmetics and Kris Jenner. And I really like Kris Jenner, okay? Like, I'm on the momager train, but the palette is really ugly. It's on the screen right now. I would not wear any of those colors. They're ugly, and I've heard from people that the consistency is not very good, and so I won't be buying it, but I just really like the fact that it says, "You're doing amazing, sweetie," and I just really need that in my life. So I'm sad, but yeet. Now we have more lipsticks. So this is the MAC 25th anniversary of the Viva Glam collection. So if you don't know what Viva Glam is, essentially when MAC started it, RuPaul was the first ambassador, and the proceeds from the sales go to HIV and AIDS foundations. And so they are releasing a revamp of the original Viva Glam lipstick with this special packaging, and RuPaul is also the ambassador this year again, which like I freaking love. So yeah, 100% of the proceeds go to the MAC AIDS Fund and help people affected by HIV and AIDS of all ages, races, and all genders. So this will be available May 1st. Here's the thing, I'm not a red lipstick person, but I kind of want it. Like, I kind of feel like I could wear this. I know, like, a lot of the times these are really, like, universal red shades, so I will go to MAC and I will swatch it. So it's in between, but more on the neat side. Okay, now we're going into some more Kylie Cosmetics. So we have the Kybrow kits. So I don't own anything by Kylie Cosmetics. It's difficult to get in Canada, and when I was at Ulta in the US, they didn't have what I wanted, so I didn't pick any of it up, and I've heard really mixed things about it. But essentially what she's doing is releasing like a full collection that comes with a brow pencil, pomade, powder duo, gel, highlighter, and a brush, and they'll be available on the 29th of April at the Kylie Cosmetics website. I'm pretty set on what kind of products I like for my brows. I don't change it up very often, and for me, going like out of my way to buy new brow products that'll be A, more expensive likely than what I'm buying. I don't think they have the price yet out, not on this. And B, difficult to acquire, and C, I can't test it out. This is a yeet for me. This is not happening. Okay, so next up we have the Huda Beauty Body Glow. I think it's called Glow to the Goddess. So essentially it's like a body glow formula. So it blurs imperfections and adds a stunning sun-kissed tint to the skin. Transfer-proof, sweat, and water-resistant, and it's a water-based formula. So there are 3 shades. They retail for $49 each. There's like a soft white gold, rose gold, and silver, a rich gold one, and a coppery one. And you can also get the brush that they're selling for an extra few dollars, $33. So it will be available May 17th in Sephora stores and May 3rd online. I think this is a cool thing. I'm not really somebody who tans a lot, and I don't really like, I won't probably be dark enough for most of the shades, except the lightest one. Potentially I would swatch it. It's a cool idea, I think, but I know that that's like a really popular thing coming out right now. I know Patrick Todd just released some, and it's going to be more popular going into the summer. So I think I will yeet this one and wait to see what's coming. Okay, next up, I'm really intrigued by this, and I have no idea if it's going to be good or not. This is the Sephora X Moschino, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's like it's a clothing brand, and they're making stationery themed makeup. This is like my dream, because you guys know how much I freaking love stationery, and then also how much I love makeup, and so it's like the dream collab. So all of the makeup looks like office supplies. So they're like highlighters and like pencil looking brushes and erasers and MacBook looking like eyeshadow palette. Here's the thing though, are they going to be any good? So it comes with a laptop palette, which is 30 pans for $60, a pencil brush set for $58, eraser sponges for $20, highlight cheek set for $36, that it's in the shape of like highlighters, liquid marker lip set, liquid polish, marker eyeliner, and toy honey mask. So I think it's cute, but the question is like, is it practical or not? So I'm not gonna immediately go buy it. It is released now, I believe. Yes. So I'm going to Sephora today, so if I find it there, I'll swatch some of the stuff, and I'll have it in my vlog that's coming out soon, but I don't know. I like the idea, but I don't know if the execution will be good, so for now, Yeet. Okay, this next one I have not seen anywhere before. I've never heard of this brand, but the colors are stunning. So this is the Linda Hallberg's Cosmetics pastel eyeshadow palette. It's called the Spectral palette. So there's 8 different shades and 4 different formulas. So this is gorgeous. Like, I don't think I've ever seen a palette that just caught my eye like this much. It's so beautiful. Would I wear the shades? Probably not. Do I still think it's gorgeous? Yes. So I think I'm going to Yeet this one because I don't think I could actually wear this and have it look good on my eyes. Mind you, I am wearing rainbow colors right now, but it is gorgeous. So it retails for $59 and it'll be available currently online at Linda Hallberg Cosmetics. Yeah. Oh, and it's cruelty free, so that's cool, and they have free worldwide shipping. Okay, anyway, so we'll Yeet that for now, but it's super cute. Okay, the next one is this new brand that just released the day that I'm filming this, and it is called Uoma Beauty. I wonder if they say their name.
That's the name with the Uoma Beauty team.
Uoma. So, it is the way they say it on Trend Mood is it is a brand that draws inspiration from a deep and vivid Afro heritage, yet mixes this with fierce modernity to create new possibilities. So they are releasing a bunch of new things, a bunch of foundations that have a crazy wide shade range. That's amazing. And I think also concealers for those shades as well. So foundation, Stay Woke Concealer, Double Take Sculpt and Strobe Double-Ended Contour and Highlight Sticks in 6 shades, an ink liner, 16 matte lipsticks, 8 lip glosses, 6 metallic lipsticks, and 3 different eyeshadow palettes, and they are all cruelty-free. They are releasing online at Ulta Beauty today, April 26th, and they'll be in stores on May 5th. It is insanely beautiful. Honestly, my biggest thing that I love is this Black Magic palette. Holy crap, like I think I will actually place an order. My skin tone is likely too pale because I believe it is made for people with darker skin than me, which like you go, because there's not a lot of that in the makeup industry, but like it's gorgeous. Those glitters look so pretty. And the deep shades, oh, I love it. And it is on Ulta, which I don't have, so I would have to place an order. So I'm going to hear some reviews first from people who do have the money and the time to go and purchase them and the location. And then I will maybe buy them. They're also a little bit more expensive, but as Ulta goes, but they're really gorgeous. And I've been following them for the last couple of days, and I'm just super impressed. So, neat. Okay, I only have 3 more things left, so bear with me. Okay, Morphe is releasing, or they have released 3 new liners. So a felt tip liquid liner, a liquid liner in 3 different shades, and an eyeliner pencil in 2 shades? Yeah. So this actually caught my eye. The white liner actually caught my eye in the liquid liner shade. So that is the shade Blank Slate. These are super affordable. I'm really interested to see some of the people I follow who are like Morphe addicts, essentially, tell me what the deal is with these. But the white looks so good in this photo, and I'm just really intrigued. So I might place an order, and maybe they'll come to Sephora. Anyway, they're out now, and they are online at Morphe Brushes, and hopefully they will come to Sephora. Anyway, 2 more things. Next up, we have another brand I've never heard of. This is Unique Beauty. Again, vegan and cruelty-free and handmade in London. These palettes are gorgeous. So they retail for £13 each, so that's about $26. There's 4 different ones. So there's B Bash, BF, Girls Trip, and Night Out. And there's some shimmery shades and matte shades and pressed pigments in each palette. I really like, I don't know if they say, yeah, okay, this one says the ones that they are. I really like Boyfriend, and I like Bee Bash, but again, like, I probably wouldn't wear those colors, and Girls Trip. Night Out is probably the only one I wouldn't wear, but that is, like, a really pretty, those are some really pretty glitter shades. So, those ones are really cool. I don't know how you get, they're available online there. I don't know what the shipping is like, but if I do order them, I'll let you guys know. They're gorgeous. So, neat. Okay, last thing, my boy Jeffrey, had to shout him out, so he doesn't know who I am. That was a stupid thing to say. Anyway, he just put out that there is a new highlighter coming. No information about it whatsoever, just a photo and a little bit of information in his newest video. Oh, they just saw the compact in the video that he just put out. So nobody knows when it's coming, but I love Jeffrey, and I've been wanting to get more of his products, so we'll see about that highlighter. That's in between Neat or Yeet. So, is there any new makeup that you guys are super interested in? Have you tested out any of these things I've talked about? I need reviews. Bring me the information, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!